Hey, this is Myra, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install your TweetHustler. So after subscribing in Gumroad to your 7-day free trial, please open your Firefox browser because TweetHustler is a Firefox add-on, and type tweethustler.com/install. I've done this here already, so this brings you to this web page, and here you can find a big orange button that says Install TweetHustler Now. So I'm going to click on it, and what it does is it downloads TweetHustler and asks you to continue to installation. This is the right button here. I'm clicking on it, and the next step is going to add TweetHustler to your browser, and it shows you what kind of permissions it has. This is required for TweetHustler to function properly. And yeah, now you click add. This is again the right button. Doing this now. And that was it. So TweetHustler is now installed in your browser. You can see in the upper right corner here, there's the TweetHustler add-on icon. And anytime you want to open TweetHustler, you just click on this icon. And for now, we are clicking OK. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to set things up.